this problem, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's read it. Consider the sequence of positive rational numbers. A1 this, and for k, a is in for 5 positive, m n. AK plus 1 is m plus 18, n plus 19. Okay, so determine the sum of all positive integers j such that the rational number aj can be written in the form t over t plus. Okay, so the first one satisfies, right?
Yeah.
So first j is what?
First J is first J. Oh, integers, yeah. Such the rational number. 1?
Yes, 1.
Actually, yeah.
First j is 1 because it is t over t plus 1, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now we want to find next j after j1, okay?
Yeah.
So it means what? And let's consider some. When we calculate these, if they have common, if they are not relatively prime, we should simplify, and all numbers will be different, right?
Mm-hmm.
So first we should find in the first step that we should simplify, right? So 2020 plus, for example, 18, we have m and l over 2021 plus 19l.
Why L?
Look, for example, for the first L1, for A2, L is 1, right? For A3, L is 2, right?
Okay. Yeah, but wouldn't it be Wouldn't it be simplification?
Yes, so we want to find the first step that we should have to simplify, okay? So one way is to write each of them, 2020 plus 18, 2021 plus 19. In the first step, we should simplify, right? Okay, I wanted to find, because here they are even, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's 20 what? 38.
Yeah.
Next one is what?
2040.
Yes. So if you simplify, it would be what?
1019 over 1020.
Yeah, so again, this one is good. J2 is good, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's check next one. 1019 plus 18. 1020 plus 90. The numerator is what? 1037, right?
Yeah.
And the denominator 1039. Are they relatively prime or not?
Yeah, they must be.
Why?
Because they're 2 apart and they're odd numbers. And
Because if you consider the GCD is D, D divides their difference. Their difference is 2, so D divides 2. So
yeah.
GCD is 1 or 2. But because they are odd
Yeah.
numbers, GCD cannot be 2, so D is 1. They're relatively prime, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's use this small example. Next one is what? 1037 plus 18. 1039 plus 19, right? The numerator is what? 1055, right?
Yeah.
The denominator is what? 10.
1058.
Yes. The difference is 3. Look, if we cannot simplify, the difference will be 1 more, right? Here the difference was 1, then the difference is 2, then the difference is 3, right?
Yeah.
So, are they multiple of 3? No. It's 11. So the GCD is again 1, right?
Yeah.
Then for the next one, if you add 18, it would be what next one? 10, 65, 73, right?
73
For
over
19, you can say 10, 69. 17, 69. No, 77, right?
Yeah.
Because this one plus 4, this one plus 4. If you add 19, 20, 78, this one, so 74. It's not much, they are not even, right?
Yeah.
So next fraction is what? Plus 18. It's
Yeah.
189, 190, 1091, right?
Yeah.
And then this one is plus 4, this one plus 4, 1096, right?
Yeah.
The difference is 5. There should be multiple of 5. There are not. So we can write a step by step, or you can, for example, like something like that, 18L and 19L to find next one. Try to find next one that we can simplify, okay?
Okay.
Want hint for this one or want to try on your own?
I'll try to find the next one.
Okay.
So 1127 simple over 1134 simplifies into 161 over 162.
1127 and 1134 you said?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's check. Here, if you want to find a general way to find each step, it is exactly the thing that I wrote in the beginning. 196 plus 19L, right?
Yeah.
D divides 5 plus L, right?
Yeah.
The difference. And also D divides 191 plus 18L, right?
Yeah.
1091, let me write. 1091 plus 18L. So here we can say D divides 5 times 18 is what? 90 plus 18L, right?
Yeah.
So if we subtract, it would be what? 1001,001, right?
Yeah.
1001 is what? 7 times 13 times 11, right?
Yeah.
So if GCD is not 1, GCD is at least 7, right? So 7 should divide 5 plus L. So L is 2. In next two steps, as you said, we can find it, right?
Yeah.
So 191 plus 2 times 18, 36, and 196 plus 38, right?
Yeah.
So 7, 2, 1, 1, 2, and 14, we have 2, 3, 1, 1, 30. Okay. And we can divide both sides by what? 7.
Both sides by 7.
42, 6, 1. And if we divide this one by 7, 1, 43, 6, 14. So it's 161. So next J that is good is what?
Next J that is good is, I don't know what number that is.
So let's check. This J20, this one was A what? A2, right?
A2.
A2
Yeah.
was good. So after this one was A3, right?
Mm-hmm.
This one is A4, agreed. This one is
Yeah.
A5, this one is A6. So 2 after this is A what?
A8.
Yes. Now from here, again, use exactly the same approach. We don't need to write all others. Try to find next J after 8 is 1, okay?
Okay. So I got A18 equals 31 over 32.
Next one is A18.
Yeah.
Okay, let's check. Here, again, we can say 161, for example, plus 18W and 162 plus 19W, right?
Yeah.
D divides what?
D divides.
The difference. D divides this one, D divides this one, D divides the difference, so that was plus 1, right?
Yeah.
D divides also 161 plus 18W, so D divides 18W plus 18, right?
Yeah.
So D divides the difference, which is what? 161 minus 18 is what? 140?
143.
143. 143, if you prime factorize, is what?
11 times 13.
11 times 30. So the minimum W can be what? 10, because 10 plus 1 is 11, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so if we check W10, it's the minimum case that we should check. 180, 162 plus 19. So it will be what? 1, 14, 2, right?
Yep.
No, 341, right?
Yep.
And then 2, 6 plus 9, 15, 352. Both of them are multiple of 11. So if you divide by 11, it's 331. It's 322, so 32, right? As you said. So because W is 10 means 10 after previous one, right? So
Mm-hmm.
it's 18. So we found next. Now exactly like this, try to find next J. Okay.
Okay, the next one's 19 over 20.
J is what?
J. Oh, I don't know. What is J? D is like 13. W is 12. I don't remember the J.
W is 12. So if W is 12 means 12 after this, so 30, right?
O is the other one. Oh, 30. Yeah.
Okay, so let's change. For example, because we use W, let's use Z, for example. 31 plus 18Z, 32 plus 19Z, right? So D
Yeah.
divides the difference. Z plus 1, D divides 31 plus 18Z, so D divides 18Z plus 18. So if we subtract, D divides what?
D divides 13.
Exactly, 30. So because 13, so Z should be 12, right?
Yeah.
And 31 plus 18 times 12, and 32 plus 19 times 12, right?
Mm-hmm.
18 times 12 is 9 times 24. 9 times 4 is 36. 3, 9 times 8, 206. So it will be 7, 4 to 47 over. This one is 216 plus 12, which is 8, 2, 2, 2 to 8 plus 0, and 5, 6 to 60, right? And we should divide it by
Yeah.
13. 1 times 13, 7, 4, 11, 1, 1. 7, so it's 9, 19 over 20, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now you should, so these are our J's. You should find next one. Next J's. Try.
So now I get D divides 1. So D is equal to 1. Then
So we don't have any other J after that.
I guess that's what that means because
So let's
D.
check. 19 plus 18R and 20 plus 19R, right? So D
Yeah.
divides what? D divides R plus 1, right?
Yeah.
19 plus 18R. D divides 18R plus 18. So D divides 1. Means always GCD is 1, so we don't have any other good case, right?
Yeah.
So the answer is what?
Means you have to add all these up, right?
Yeah, so
Check. But some of the J's or some of the
no, some of
fractions?
the J's.
Oh, okay. Some of the J's. 11 plus 48 is 59.
Yes, 59. Okay, and can you tell me the key point was what for solving this problem?
The small example at the start.
Exactly. We checked a small example, then we found how we should start, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so this one 59. What's your next question?